Hello! In this video, we'll explore the organization feature on the Trupeer platform. This feature is especially tailored for admins of the Trupeer plan. Admins can simply click on the organization option right here. Once there, they can view the members within their organization. This page displays the list of members who have been invited and have joined the team. Additionally, from this tab, admins have the ability to revoke invitations or remove members if necessary. From the same page, admins can also add seats. There's also an analytics button available here, which, when clicked, provides insights into the organization. This includes the total AI minutes consumed, videos created, guides crafted, shared pages developed, and various usage trends. Moreover, admins can view a detailed member-wide distribution of AI minutes consumed, videos made, and other activities. They also have the option to select a custom date range to see the data from a specific period. That's the overview for the organization feature.